Good day everyone, my name is Gian Baltampus and we're going to talk about nervous system. First, central nervous system or CNS. It consists of the brain and spinal cord. Its function is in integrate and process its information. Second, brain. It is the main organ of the CNS. Its function is control voluntary and involuntary activities. Third, spinal cord, long bundle of nerves extending from the brain. Its function, it transmits signal between the brain and the rest of the body. Fourth, peripheral nervous system or PNS. It connects the CNS to the rest of the body for sensory input. Fifth, somatic nervous system, division of the PNS, controlling involuntary action. It regulates involuntary function. 6. Sympathetic system, parts of the autonomic nervous system, active during stress or emergency. It increases heart rate and dilates pupils. 7. Parasympathetic. 7. Parasympathetic. It's part of the autonomic nervous system during rest. It slows heart rate, stimulates digestion. 8. Sensory nervous system, nerves that carry signals from sensory organ. It transmits sensory information like touch. 9. Motor nervous system. Nerves that carry signals from the CNS to muscle and glands. It relays command from the brain. 10. Interneuron nerves within the CNS that connect sensory email motor neurons. It processes and interrogates information. That's all. Thank you.